Welcome to On The Go Solutions TV. Today we're going to talk about a very exciting product, the new Nexus S for AT&T 3G. These devices come in both white and black and support a beautiful AMOLED screen, a Super AMOLED screen, and run on the 850, 1900, and 2100 3G network, which is good for Canada, USA, South America, and international as well. At On The Go Solutions, we offer two different versions of this phone, either the stock or the rooted version. Since there's so many videos of the stock version, we're just going to focus on our rooted version, which again, you can get in either white or black. Let's take a look at the features, some of the great features of this product. First of all, as you can see, this is running on the 3G network. If you pull down the information bar, you can see that, yes, it is on AT&T. So yes, we are running on 850, 1900 AT&T 3G. Secondly, as you notice, we have a beautiful Super AMOLED display, and we do have a screenshot of how fast we were able to get this unit up and running on the 3G network. So let's go take a look at what our speed tests returned. If we click into our gallery, and we let that load. Here you can see on this screenshot we were getting almost 2900 kilobits per second download. And what's really amazing is we were getting over 1200 kilobits per second upload, which is about 4 times faster than standard AT&T products. We don't exactly understand why we are getting such great speeds, but perhaps because this is not an AT&T branded phone, there is no throttle control on this device, and it just uses as much bandwidth as possible to get you the best service. One of the nicest features of this device is the ROM that we have running on this unit. First of all, it is rooted. What that means is that you have super user access to your device. And you can tell that it's rooted by checking for the super user application on this unit, which is right there. This gives you access to all the rooted apps on the market, as well as allowing you to load non-market apps. Many system devices and system functions are available to you now that your device is rooted. One of the other features of this ROM that makes it so special is the built-in Wi-Fi tether. And you can see that by going to Settings, Wireless and Networks, Tethering and Portable Hotspot, and here you can see you have your choice of USB tethering or Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot. If you click on this, your device automatically turns on its Wi-Fi hotspot feature, and now other units, computers, cell phones, anything that uses a Wi-Fi signal can connect to the internet through your device. You do have to check with your local carrier to see what their rules are and regulations. But the functionality is built into this phone, and you don't need to download anything directly from the market. Let's go back. One of the nice features of having a rooted ROM is that you get to run these great rooted applications, such as Titanium Backup and ROM Manager. These two utilities are crucial for running your device really effectively. Let's take a look and load Titanium Backup. Notice how it's asking you for super user access to your device. Once you click Allow, if your device is rooted, you have full functionality with Titanium Backup. So too of some of the other applications that you can download from the market that are really neat, such as ROM Manager. ROM Manager allows you to better control your device. It allows you to reboot into recovery, install a ROM from an SD card, download new ROMs, etc. The ROM that we load on this unit is deodexed for theming. This means that you're capable of loading amazing themes onto this unit. Also, the kernel that we use is called Voodoo Enhanced, which gives you a much clearer and brighter picture on your device. Let's take a look at the two different screens. The black unit we have not rooted and is running stock kernel. It's a little washed out, a little gray, the purples aren't as bright, and the screen just doesn't have that brightness. On the right-hand side, the white unit, however, we're running the Voodoo kernel, which gives you full enhancements for your visual display. It takes full advantage of the Super AMOLED display on the device. Additionally, it also gives you some amazing high-fidelity tweaks and enhancements that you can use on your unit. Again, this is only available in the upgraded rooted version. As mentioned, the custom ROM that we load on this phone, in addition to being rooted and having the Voodoo kernel, it's also de-odexed for themes. Let's take a look and see how we can transform this device by applying some really cool theme to this phone. Today I'm going to show you how to apply the Amped theme, which is available on xdadevelopers.com. First thing we're going to do is turn off the phone and load it and reboot it into bootloader mode. This is done by powering off the device completely and then holding the volume up key while pressing on the power button to start the fast boot. There we go. Once you're in fast boot, you volume down to recovery and you can click on the power to select, and we're going to boot into Clockwork Mod Recovery, image specifically designed for this device. Now we're going to go ahead and install zip from SD card, choose zip from SD card, and we're going to select our theme file. This is called Amped 1.2. Yes, install. There we go. Great. Let's go back and let's reboot our system now. Okay, so we're back after the reboot, and as you can see, after this device has been themed, there are some very nice changes. First of all, you can see that many of the icons that we typically use have been done very beautifully, as well as some of the quick buttons, as well as the fonts. Let's go ahead and complete the transformation of this device. Next thing we're going to do is change the wallpaper out. So we're going to hold down the screen, choose Wallpapers, one from the gallery, select, save, and this is going to give us a nice dark back wallpaper, like a gray matted look. Very nice. Go ahead and we'll get rid of this and we'll add a beautiful HTC Sense-like clock and weather widget. Let's go ahead and add that. Fancy home. There we go. Wow, that is gorgeous. Very easy, very simple to do. Notice if you're clicking on the weather, you get some beautiful animations, just like we've seen with HTC Sense. It has a 5-day forecast, which you can also add directly to your device. Let's get rid of a few of these icons, and we can add the forecast widget right onto the home screen. There we go. That is gorgeous. And this is just one of the many themes that you can apply to this device. So all in all, we really like this unit. It's very customizable, it's extremely responsive. The AMOLED screen, especially with the Voodoo kernel enhancements, is really beautiful. It's got 16 gigabytes of memory built in, no more fumbling around with SD cards, and it has wonderful 3G access for US and abroad, which is a big issue because today there are not many HTC units that support both US and international 3G. So if you'd like to learn more about this, or if you'd like us to upgrade your Nexus S that you purchased to the Voodoo kernel as well as custom ROM with root, just give us a call at 847-933-1762 or visit us online at www.onthegosolutions.com. Have a great day.